Alright, this is number 3 from our homework, 10.5. It's kind of hard to see, sorry my picture's a little blurry, but these 3 angles here, right here, those are 3 congruent angles. So to figure out how big each one is, we know that it forms a line, so they need to add up to 180. So what we're going to do is take 180 and divide it by 3. So 180 divided by 3, and we get 60. So that means each of these angles are 60 in here. Now that's the angle. To get the arc, we would multiply it by 2. So 60 times 2, that means each arc is 120 degrees. All up here, 120, 120, 120. Now if you read the question carefully, we want arc JKL. So if you follow the letters in that order, here's J. We're going to go around to K all the way to L. So it's 2 sections. So this equals, arc JKL equals 240 degrees. That's our answer. Okay, this is number 12. As you can see, the angle is being formed on the outside of our circle. So that means we need to use the 2 intercepted arcs, which happens to be these 2 right here. Do you see how they're opened up to that angle? Well, we can see right away this one is 111, okay? But we're not sure about the other amount. We know all together there's 360 degrees in a circle. So if we add up the ones that we know, 104, 104, and 111, we get 319. So I'm going to do 360 minus 319, which is 41. That means this little arc is 41 degrees. Now we're ready to do our formula. When it's outside the circle, we're going to subtract the arc, so big arc minus little arc, and we're going to divide it by 2. Now, if you like to plug everything in your calculator at one time, you have to put those parentheses, because we need it to subtract first and then divide. So this equals 35 degrees. That's how big angle 1 is. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, and the last one I want to look at is number 17. This is a booger, okay? It is outside the circle, so we will be using our formula, but we already know the angle equals 39. So we're going to set it up. Let's go ahead and do big arc, 17x plus 6, and I'm going to leave that in parentheses, and we're going to subtract the little arc right here, which is 7x minus 2 divided by 2 equals the angle. So we're just going to go ahead and plug everything in the formula like how it is. Okay, on top, we're going to go ahead and distribute this negative in. So I'm going to scoot this up. Whole thing, just move it on up. All right. So that would leave us with 17x plus 6 minus 7x plus 2, because we got to distribute that negative in. So we have an x term here and here, which will make it be 10x. We have 6 and 2, which is plus 8, and that's still over 2, equals 39. Now, to solve this, we have got to get rid of that divided by 2 on the bottom. So the opposite of dividing is multiply. So we're going to multiply 2 on both sides. This pen is not liking this board. Okay. So these cancel out. Bam, they're gone. 10x plus 8 equals, and then 39 times 2 is 78. So we're going to subtract 8, just using our algebra skills here, and we are going to solve this bad boy. 10x equals 70. Divide by 10. Oh, it's going to fit. All right. And then x equals 7. So there is our answer. I hope this helps. Until next time.